Hello students, welcome to our back maths online classes. I think you know very well. I am a maths teacher, S. Kiran sir. So, my students, first of all, tell me how are you all? Are you enjoying the study? And my students, today's climates are very good. Neither hot nor cold. So today's you can say that we feel too energetic because climate is as per our condition, and so we also enjoy and play with mathematics. Play with mathematics. So don't take more tension of the examination, but keep doing. Do practice, more confidence. You all know very well. In previous videos already I shared with you. More practice, more confidence. Okay, as you did the practice again and again, definitely confidence build increase slowly and gradually by you all. Okay. So students, in previous videos we have discussed regarding the recapitulation for the test 2, and in which of them we have described in previous videos chapter number 3rd, page number 54. Okay. So students, today we will recap the last chapter, the rational number, which is a part of your unit test 2 syllabus. Okay students. So only 3 chapters are there. Among of that we have completed in 2 classes, 2 chapters, and today is the last chapter which we will continue right now. So are you ready? Are you ready? Good. So take out your textbook, notes copy, and get ready with the questions for today's class. See the question number 1. Say identify the positive and negative rational numbers. Students, today's question that few numbers have given, few rational numbers are given. In which of them we have to identify whether it is the positive or negative. So students, see the question number 1 is 3 by 4 minus 8 by 9 minus 17 by 21 minus 20 by minus 21 3 by minus 8 3 by minus 8 and minus 6 by 10 minus 6 by 10. So students, could you say about positive rational number and negative rational number? So how will we identify? First of all, rational number your solution. What you have to do, that among of it we have to filter the positive rational number as well as negative rational number. Okay students. So first of all we will mention over here positive rational number. Positive rational number. Students, if you know, it's very good. NO dot stands for number. It is the abbreviation, we can say that it is the abbreviation of number. Okay students, positive rational number. See 3 by 4, it means the number which is without symbol. We can say which is without symbol. If any number presents without symbol, it means we consider it as a positive. So see 3 by 4 is there. So we can say 3 by 4 is a positive rational number. It means it is rational number. It means in the form of p by q. If that number is without symbol, it is positive rational number is there. So 3 by 4. After minus 8 by 10, minus 8 by 9. As it includes minus, we completely identify or filter that number is a part of negative. That number is a part of negative, or it is in the form of p by q. That's why it is rational number. So that it is called negative rational number. Negative rational number is equal to minus 8 by 9. So students, see the next question. Minus 17 by minus 21. Supposed to be a student. I told that without symbol, without sign, but here sign are given. But both numerator and denominator both. So both are in the division form. In division form, simple it will be finished. Minus cancelled. When it will be cancelled, what will happen? 17 by 21. That's why we can say minus 71 by minus 21 considered as a positive rational number. So comma minus 17 by minus 21 is called or known as the positive rational number. See the next question. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8, it means only one side, only lower part is given minus. It means its complete rational number are negative rational number. So we can mention 3 minus 8 as a negative rational number. Okay students. Now see the last number, that is minus 6 by 10 under bracket. Students, when the bracket will be removed, then in such circumstances what this minus and this minus both have the form of multiplication. When two same side multiply twist together, what the answer will become? That answer will become as a positive. Simply we can say minus or minus 6 by 10 is also a positive rational number. Okay students, I think you have understood. So mention it in your copy and continue with the next question. So students, see the question number 2a. Question number 2a. Question says compare the following rational number by putting greater than, less than or equal to. Compare the following rational number by putting the greater than, less than or equal to. Students, I think you all are aware of from it that what is the greater than, smaller than and equal to. So students, see the number is there 5 by 4. What is the number? 5 by 4. Fill in the blanks. And 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Sorry, minus 3 by 4. Now students, if I talk about greater, it's very simple. Till why? Because always all positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Simply minus 3 by 4 is the negative numbers. So 5 by 4 is a positive number. We will blindly say 5 by 4 is the greater than minus 3 by 4. So students, see the question number B. Question number B is there. 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. Students, now what we will do? What we will do? Both are rational number, both are positive rational number. In such circumstances, what we will do? We will do first, either we will make that denominator equal, we will make the like fraction first, or what we will do? We will divide numerator by its denominator, and what the number will come, that number will be greater. So do. It's your turn to do. I say 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 5, but how it is greater? It's your turn to solve. Okay, so do it. Students, now question number C is there. So I hope you know very well boosted. I will not solve all questions. It's your turn to do. Okay, so do it. So question number 3. In question number 3, write two rational numbers between each pair. Students, it's a very nice question. Write two rational numbers between each pair. What is the pair? Let's consider. Friends, make your handwriting neat and clean. It's a very important. It's a mirror, it's a reflector, it's an identification. So make your handwriting neat and clean. Make a cursive handwriting. Now you all are studying in class 7. You are not the junior ones, not your senior ones, but you are promoting and you are very near to being a senior. So be your handwriting neat and clean as your personality, as you develop your personality every day. So on that way, try to improve your handwriting, try to clear your concept in the maths. Because maths, nothing in maths. If we think what is maths, nothing in maths. Maths is only and only a game of number and symbol. It is a game of number and symbol. That's all. Okay. See the question number 3. Write two rational numbers between each pair. What is the pair will be there? Question number 3a. Minus 6 by 10 and 4 by 5. Minus 6 by 10 and 4 by 5. Students, I think you should have remember what we will do first. We will do minus 6 by 10 and minus 4 by 5. Simple. If you want to do casually without any rules, simple. Make a right line. Make a line. Mention in between 0 Right hand side positive, left hand side negative. Okay students, see 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That we will mention 1, 2, 3. Now minus 6 by 10 is there. What we will do? Minus 6 by 10. Here will become minus 6 by 10. It means minus 6 by 10 supposed to be here. It is mentioned minus 6 by 10. Okay students. From here to here, then after first we will do the complete the journey of this point to 0. Then we will neutral. So what will the minus 5 by 10 will be there, minus 4 by 10 will be there, minus 3 by 10 will be there, minus 2 by 10 will be there, minus 4 by 10 will be there. Then after it will be 0. Then after it will be 1 by, sorry. Then after 0. Are you getting my parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And question say about 4 by 5. Supposed to be here. It is 4 by 5. Then what will be there? 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Are you getting my parts, students? If any number can you minus 2, 5. Minus 2 by 5 can you mention? Then we will mention minus 1 by 5. Was it can be divided. So we can divide this view also on the number system, on the number line system, okay? Or either if you don't want, so make denominator equal minus 6 by 10 and 4 by 5. To make denominators equal, what you will do? What will be the LCM product of 5 or 10? LCM product of 5 or 10 will be 10. So 10 into 1. It means the denominator will multiply by 1. Exactly, numerator will multiply by the same number. Minus 6 by 10 and 4 by 5. We have to make denominator 10. So multiply by 2. It will be 8 by 10. Now minus 6 by 10 between minus 6 by 8. Sorry, 6 by 10 and 8 by 10. Which number may become? Minus 5 by 10. We can say minus 4 by 10. Minus 3 by 10. As I told you, in that way, all the numbers will come in this way also. Okay students, so you can mention over here, say question how many is 2 rational number is there. 2 rational number, we take any one, we can take minus 1 by 5 also, we can take 1 by 5 also. Okay students, so it's up to you. There are too many rational numbers are between minus 6 by 10 to 4 by 5, so as per your choice you can take. Okay, so take question number 4 and the question number B and C. Now it's your turn to do. So you try to do. Question number 4. Write equivalent ratio number. Students, equivalent. Do you know equivalent? Equivalent. How equivalent described? Equivalent is described from the words equal. Or equal it means what the number of quantities you have, the same number of quantities I have also. It means both are equal. Supposed to be in maths online test you aggregate 7 marks, then I also aggregate 7 marks. It means equal. Okay students, see the minus 9 by 13, supposed to be minus 9 by 13 is the question, and we have to it's equal to fill in the blanks by 39. And students, we have to mention here the equivalent number. And how the equivalent number will become? We will consider denominator. Denominator is valid by how much? 13 1 the 13, 13 to the 26, 13 3 the 39. It means this number are multiplying by 3. So the next number's denominator is 39. And as we know that when the denominator is multiplying or dividing by any number, it means numerator will be also calculated by the same number. Okay, so multiply by 3. What number will become? Number will become minus 27. Now you ask how the minus is there? Simple, I can say minus is minus. So minus 9 into 3 minus 27. I think you all understood very well. So students, what the questions behind it you have to do by yourself. Question number 4b. See the question number 5. We will discuss question number 5. Question 5 say sum. Find the sum of. Sum of it means that you have to, the number is given and that you have to calculate the sum. It means ID. What is the addition? I have the 5 balls, you have the 6 balls. What the total number of balls are there? 6, 5, 11. That is sum. It means the results of any addition. That is called sum. 2 by 15 plus minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. What you will do, students? Simple. When any opposite numbers multiply by any symbol, minus or plus, you can minus. Okay? Why? Because minus 3 by 4 is given in the bracket, and that bracket will multiply by plus. Then plus or minus? Minus. Okay, students? See, 15 and 4. What is the denominator? 15 and 4. What will be the denominator? What you will do to make equal denominator? Simply you will convert into what? You will convert into it means you will make a denominator equal. To make a denominator equal, what you will do? Simply you will find out LCM. What will be the LCM of 15 and 4? One are odd number, one are extra number. How it is possible? Simple. Not possible. Multiply it. 15 for the 60. So LCM product is 60. 15 for the 64. 4. 2 for the 8 minus 4. 15 the 60. 50. 15. 15. 3 is the 45. It means 8 minus 45. It is possible? Not possible. What we will do? We will subtract from 45 to 8. So what will the answer will come? 37. And before 45 which number is given? Which sign is given? Minus. So we will here mention minus 37 by 16. It is your result. What is the result? Minus 37 by 16. 45 minus 8. 37 by 16. I think so. Students, see the question number 5B. 5B. Now it's your turn to do. So I will do. Now coming to the question number 6A. What's the question number 6A? See, question number 6A is there. Now subtract. How we have add, same way we have to subtract also. 5 by 8 from minus 9 by 10. Minus 9 by 10. From. It means that you have to subtract, but from. To whom? From minus 9 by 10. It means we will write first minus 9 by 10. Now subtract is there. So subtract. How much? 5 by 8. Be careful, students. The numbers which is given in the from, that always will be written first, and after that next number. So see, minus 9 by 10 or minus 5 by 8. What we will do? Same things again. We will find out LCM 10 or 8. What will be the LCM product? 2 into 5 into 4, resultant 14. Questions? 10 for the 44, 9 for the 36, minus 36, minus 8 5 the 45, 5 5 the 25. See, students, minus 36 or minus 25. What will be the answer? Minus minus plus, but symbol will be same. Symbol will not change. Sign will not change. 6 5 11. 3 to 5 over 6. It means minus 540. Okay, students, I think you understood. The answer will come minus 61 by 14. So next question, it's your turn to do question number B, and I am continuing with question number 7. I am continuing with question number 7. Question number 7. See students, now first add, second subtract, third multiply. What is multiply? 6y11 into minus 4y7. 6y11 into minus 4y7. Let me check. Students, 6y11 into minus 4y7. Yes. What we will do, students? How we multiply? I think everybody are knowing very well. I think you all know very well. It means 6 4 are 24 minus 24 minus 77. Understood, students? How we will multiply? So minus 24 by 77. It's very simple. It's very simple. So continue with the divide. It is your homework, students. Please do list all questions. This 7a. Now I am going to do 8b, not a. 8b I am doing. 8a you have to do. Okay. So minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 15. We have number, students. What we will do in such condition? Simple. We can write minus 3 by 5 and we will replace this sign by multiply. And as we replace by multiply, what the number, what fraction is given out after that, that fraction will be interchanged by numerator into denominator or denominator into numerator. So 5 is the 15. Would it be possible? No. Then what we will do? We will do multiply. Minus 3 into 3 minus 9. What is the answer? 4. It is your answer. Okay. 8a you will do. Proceed. Question number 9. Question number 9 says express minus 6 by 10 as rational number with the numerator 18. Say students, we will consider question number 9. We will consider question number 9. Fraction is given minus 6 by 10. Minus 6 by 10. And numerator is 18. Numerator is 18 for a. Numerator is equal to 18. Students, a fraction, a rational number is given and question says that you have to make numerator 18. Okay, students. Then what we will do? Simple. We will minus 6 by 10 is given and we have to make 18 numerator. To make 18 numerator, what we will do? What we will do? Just think and say. We will do multiply by how much? By how much? Minus 3. Why minus 3? Because we have to make 18 positive. So if we are multiplying to make 18 by multiply by minus 3, then definitely we will multiply by minus 3 in denominator also. When we will multiply by minus 3 in denominator, what answer will become? Minus 30. I hope that you all understood very well. Students, when a rational number is given and say to make numerator in that way, so you have to calculate in same way. Okay, we will consider that the given numerator is by the given rational number is multiplying or dividing. Then after you calculate accordingly. So students, question number 9b. That's now it's your turn to do. Okay. Now I am doing question number 10. I am doing question number 10. So students, please be careful. Question number 10 is given x is equal to 2y5 or y. X is equal to 2y5 and y is equal to minus 3y10. Verify the following. Number first, a. X plus y mod x plus y greater than or equal to x plus or y. What we will do, students? Simple. We will do x plus y. X is equal to 2 plus 5. Put the value of x and y. 2 plus 5 by minus 3 by 10. The minus 3 by 10 of this plus. It means it will be minus 3 by 10 mod 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 10 minus 3 by 10. Students, be careful. Now solve it. After solving, what you will get? 5 by 10 means 10. 4 minus 3 greater or equal to 2 by 5. It will be 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 10 becomes 3 by 10. If negative number is given in mod, then after that number will always positive. That number will always positive. So 3 by 10. Now it becomes 1 by 10 equal to 2 by 5 or 3 by 10. What will the answer? 10 to 4 plus 3 1 by 10 equal to or greater than 7 by 10. Okay, students, I think you have understood what you will say. 7 by 10 is greater than 1 by 10. So, see the question number last of this exercise or in the test 2 recalculation. Question number 11. Represent on number line. So, students, question number 11. A. Represent on number line 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So, see students, what we will do? Suppose to be a number line is there. It is 0. Here 1. Here minus 1. 1 by 4. 2 by 4. 3 by 4. It is 4 by 4 part 1. Okay, students? Here will be minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, or minus 4 by 4 is equal to minus 1. So, students, see, 3 by 4 we have to represent. See where 3 by 4 is there. 3 by 4 is here on this point. It means dark this point. This called 3 by 4. Okay, students? It is the representation of a number line. I think you have understood. So, students, if any problem in this exercise you may face in any questions, you may ask personally. Okay, until that, keep revising and all the best of luck for examination. But be honest while writing in your answer sheet. Please give or fill all the information that is required. Either you do in the separate answer sheet or you do in the question paper. Don't do in both pairs. In answer sheet also or in question paper also. Don't do both places. Do any one places. Either in the question or in the answer sheet. Okay, students? And handwriting must be neat and clean. Don't copy the question. Only write question number and solution. Question number and solution. If you will not mention all the details of the particular question of the solution, then your marks will be deducted. So be careful regarding it. Okay, students? And I think you will do appropriately. But don't forget to fill your all information in your answer sheet. Okay? Bye bye. Thank you.